We'd like to welcome you to LearnIT-Academy. LearnIT-Academy is an educational institution that is committed to providing highest quality of education in the field of information technology. Our organization is located in the state of Maryland, the United States of America. Our organization is a registered training school in the state of Maryland. We have partnership with popular organizations like the Cisco Networking Academy, ucertified.com, and wixlab.com. Our organization provides both online and in-person IT training that are specifically designed to address your IT career pathways. Today, we would like to quickly introduce you to some of the IT programs that are currently going on in our organization. Remember to click the link, which is LearnIT-Academy.net, to take a look at some of the courses that are available. If you want to ask us questions or know more about what we do, we encourage you to send email to info@LearnIT-Academy.net. Briefly, these are some of the courses that we are currently providing. And I want you to know that you can get any of these IT training at a discount rate of 50%. This discount applies from now to the end of 2024. All classes are currently going on, and all classes are in the evening time from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. Some of the IT training courses that we provide to students remotely include the CompTIA-A+, the CompTIA-Network+, CompTIA-Security+, and the CompTIA-Cybersecurity Analyst. We also provide trainings in Cisco-CCNA, Cisco-CCNP Enterprise, Cisco-CCNP Security, and also Cisco Cybersecurity Operation, so that you can be prepared for an entry-level position in the cybersecurity job. In addition, we provide programming trainings, including the Python, PCEP, and PCAP-exam certifications. We have training for JavaScript developers. Linux 1, Linux 2 exams are also available. So you can choose from any of the available IT training to suit your career goal. If you want us to provide additional counseling and information on some of this training and how the training can be beneficial to your IT career objective, kindly reach out to us on our website at LearnIT-Academy.net. You may also want to email us using the email address info@LearnIT-Academy.net. Remember, once again, this is a one-lifetime opportunity. All our training courses are going for a discount of 50%. All classes take place in the evening from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And you can complete any of these training following a self-paced or instructor-led classes. You will have an access to all learning materials for a whole year. So any course that you enroll in, you will be given an access for 1 year. All access include 50% discount, free textbook, free exam voucher, free learning materials, and free exam preparation materials. Once again, if you want to learn more about what we do in this organization, please visit our website, LearnIT-Academy.net, and also email us at info@LearnIT-Academy.net. Our website is as shown on the screen. So just go to LearnIT-Academy.net, and when the page is open, click on Program List. When you click on the Program List tab, scroll down a little bit to take a look at all the currently available certification courses, and you can select from any of these courses. If you want to contact us, I encourage you to fill the contact form. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and fill out the contact form. your first name and your last name. Put in your email address and click the submit button. We'll be able to reach back to you and get you started on your IT career. Thank you once again. We hope to embark on this journey with you. Thank you and have a wonderful day, everybody.